If you are looking for the best wedge pillow, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Xtreme Comforts Bed Wedge Pillow. The Xtreme Comforts 7 inches memory foam bed wedge pillow is ergonomically designed to provide comfort and support. It is 7 inches high at its thickest point. A soft quilted bamboo cover allows air circulation for a cooler night's sleep. The cover is removable and machine washable for easy cleaning. The zipper extends around the pillow to make it easier to remove. The cover is also designed to be durable enough to withstand routine use. The pillow uses 2-layer deluxe body active memory foam that promises to never go flat. Number 2. Relax Home Life Wedge Pillow. The Relax Home Life 7 inches bed wedge pillow is 7 inches high at its thickest point. The pillow features 1.5 inches of memory foam paired with premium-grade polyurethane foam. The memory foam top layer is designed to contour to your shape to provide greater comfort and support, while the bottom layer of foam is intended to allow airflow to keep the pillow cooler. This pillow also has a polyester bamboo blend removable cover. Pores in the fabric allow airflow for cooler sleeping. The fabric is dust mite resistant and hypoallergenic, so it may be gentler on sensitive skin. Number 3. VivaLife Bed Wedge Pillow. The VivaLife Bed Wedge Pillow offers greater elevation than most other wedge pillows, so it's appropriate for sleepers who are looking for more lift than average. This pillow is 10 inches at its highest point, while most alternatives are around 7 inches high. The VivaLife Bed Wedge Pillow is designed to prop sleepers up to a 30-degree angle. The top layer of the VivaLife Bed Wedge Pillow is a cooling layer that features VivaLife cooling technology. This layer is designed to keep the pillow cool to the touch. For added comfort, the pillow cover is soft to the touch. Number 4. Cushy Form Wedge Pillow. The Cushy Form Bed Wedge Pillow is 7.5 inches at its highest point. The pillow features high-density memory foam that provides contour and adjusts to each sleeper. The high-density foam also adds durability. The Cushy Form Bed Wedge Pillow is designed to be both firm and soft, providing both comfort and support without collapsing under your weight or allowing you to sink in too deeply. While memory foam can trap heat, the Cushy Form Bed Wedge Pillow is designed for breathability to help you maintain a comfortable temperature. Number 5. Avana Bed Support Wedge Pillow. The Avana Kind Bed Orthopedic Support Pillow Comfort System comes with a cradle arch, a back support cradle, a support bar, and a knee rest. These pieces work together in multiple configurations to provide you with a variety of position options, ranging from a slight elevation to sitting upright in bed. The back support cradle is the most equivalent to a conventional wedge pillow. This pillow is curved to better match the natural curvature of the spine and promote proper alignment. Each piece in the system features a removable, washable cover for easy cleaning.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.